at the top, the fourth pillar in the middle, it's not origin. And down half part, 70% mostly origin. And standing adjacent to library, two arched monumental gates we have from the Latin inscriptions at the top. We understand that the gates were dedicated to Emperor Augustus and his wife Livia. You heard about Augustus? Do you know the real name of Augustus? What was the real name of Emperor Augustus? Augustus was given by Roman Senate to that emperor as the title name. And in Latin, Augustus means the illustrious one, the victorious one. And the month August, it comes from Augustus, and July comes from Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar. So what was the real name of Augustus? Octavianus. See, Octavius. It's me, Octavio.
Yes. Djibouti.
The gates were a kind of connection. Agora.